Hey there, Tamir from FibonacciTraders.com here with the daily stocks to watch video. This is a very special video. We will talk about the 4 big tech names and their fallout on a quarterly time frame. We shall talk about Microsoft, Amazon, Google and Apple. So let's get into it. Before we do, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. It will be much appreciated. Thank you very much. Microsoft. Every candle represents 3 months of time frame, and as we can see, Microsoft went parabolic from the early of 2000 and all the way up to 350. Now last 4, and this quarter still have 2 months ahead of it, 4 quarters of a downside. Next support will be the 180 level according to Fibonacci. So let's see if it really holds, or even like this one here, if the 214 fails to hold, 176 will be the next support area for Microsoft on a quarterly time frame. So don't expect it to be today or next week or even 1 month from now. It's a quarter time frame. It's very important to zoom out and look on the bigger and the biggest time frame to try to identify price action and where it's headed. Next is Amazon. We had a big flash during the second quarter of 2022 after several quarters from October 20 all the way to January 22, 2 years and so of sideways move. Then came this quarter of April 22. Now last quarter of 22, we are going down, and 80 is the next level of support. We might hit it by the end of 22. Failing to hold, Amazon will go all the way to 65. Again, always zoom out. Even if we are day traders or swing traders on a daily and weekly basis, we need to zoom out and check the bigger time frame to see where price came from and try to identify where it's headed to. Google is next. Google also had a bull run from July of 2020 all the way to January 22, hit the 152 area. We can see the quarter of October 21 and the first quarter of 22 both hitting the same level of 152, and then came the flash all the way for now 83 area, and if things go the way it goes, 71 is the next support for Google, again on a 3 months time frame. And if we look left, we can see that 71, 72 area throughout 2020 was strong resistance and then became strong support. So I expect Google to go 71. And Apple, last name we shall talk about now, is Apple. 3 months time frame, holding strong comparing to the rest of the big tech names. Apple went parabolic from January 19 all the way to 183, from 35 all the way to 183, parabolic move, but then went sideways, 5 candles, 5 quarters in a row, moving sideways from the 130 area to 183, just bouncing back and forth, and now seems like again she's going to test the 130 and even the 127 area. If this fails to hold, 110 and even 91 area is in the cards for Apple. If things goes south, all the market is broken. Small caps are broken, mid caps are broken. Microsoft, Amazon, Google are all broken to the downside. Last stand for Apple. Apple is the market. If they will break Apple to the downside to the 126 and to the 110 area, we can expect another 15 or so % to the downside on the SPY and the QQQ. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think? Apple, will it hold all the market on its shoulders and pull it back, or Apple will give up and going down to the 110 and maybe double digits? Let me know in the comments below. Hit the like and subscribe buttons. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you have a great Friday, and I will see you at the opening bell.